Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about crypto market update, and we will figure out, is it crypto market bearish or ready for crash? What's going on with the crypto world on the all time frames? We will talk about daily, weekly, monthly and quarterly all time frames. Now, as usually, let's move to 5 rules of risk management. Please read it and follow it every single trade and you will be successful. Now it's a trading view. Let's move to trading view, crypto heat map. Let's start daily performance. Looks like everything gray and red. It's a flat, right? Flat negative market. Let's move to weekly. Weekly it is Bitcoin gray, everything else red. Bitcoin Cash positive. And Toncoin plus 26%. Everything else red. Let's see monthly what's going on. Monthly everything red. Month is over, right? August is over. Everything monthly red. And quarterly also red. That's what we have from the heat map. Okay, now it's time for the technical analysis review. Before start, if you want to learn more about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup training and other links about all my trainings. You can easily and quickly learn it simple trading style. Now, let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using simple moving averages, white line SMA 200 line, purple line SMA 100, blue line SMA 50, yellow line SMA 20, red line SMA 10, and green line SMA 5. Buy and sell script indicator, MACD indicator, Heikanaichi bars indicators, and RSI line. RSI is the yellow line. That's all. Very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved. But if you follow the indicators, you will be successful because indicators do not have emotions. And remember, we follow the trend, we don't fight with the trend. Now market is bearish. Look at it, red circle. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. It's an entry point for short position when bars below MA5. It is bearish trend. When bars move above MA5, it was bullish trend. Now bars below MA5. You see SMA20 did bearish crossover over 20, over 200. 20 did bearish crossover over 200. It is very powerful bearish setup. Now last bar below all moving averages. It is bearish trend on daily time frame for Bitcoin. Let's see weekly. Weekly, same story. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, 20, and even 200. Last bar moved below 200. It's a below all moving averages except SMA 50. All indicators bearish on weekly time frame. Monthly, it was kind of positive bullish. It did move above all moving averages, and now it came back. Now last bar below MA20. It's making bearish reversal on monthly time frame. Let's see quarterly what's going on. Quarterly not much data, right? Okay. Now let's see review performance. Performance weekly minus -0.25%, monthly minus 11%. Year to date still 56% plus. Year to date still positive 50, even 57% plus. Now let's move to Bitcoin Cash. And today market is still flat like usually. Bitcoin flat, Bitcoin Cash flat also. Usually Bitcoin Cash very aggressive, up or down. Daily time frame, same story. It did nice bull trap and it did recovery. It did sell off, and last bar moved below all moving averages except 200, below MA5, 10, and 20. Now it is in the bearish territory, right? Sell signal from the script, MA5 did bearish crossover. Heikanaichi already bearish, MACD still green. bearish reversal signal on daily time frame for Bitcoin Cash. Weekly, same story, was nice bounce for 2 weeks. It did touched SMA 200 and it was rejected from the resistance line, and now it's below MA5 and 10. Still about 20, but it is a bearish reversal trend on all indicators on weekly time frame. Let's see monthly. Monthly, it is still bullish. It did bullish crossover, MA5 did bullish crossover, it did touched after the nice run on the monthly time frame, it did touched SMA 50 and it was rejected from SMA 50. Now last bar still about 20, still positive on the monthly time frame for Bitcoin Cash. Quarterly not enough data. Okay. Ethereum. I'm sorry, let's go back and talk about performance. Weekly performance for Bitcoin Cash plus 3%. Monthly performance minus 13%. And year to date is still 101.5% bullish. Bitcoin Cash, very positive, very strong still. Has a strong performance. Bitcoin Cash has very strong performance still. Now let's move to Ethereum. Ethereum. It's a flat price action. Also, let's start daily. Daily it is still negative, right? SMA 20 still downtrend, sell signal from the script, MA5 did bearish crossover, last bar below all moving averages, MA50 did bearish crossover. It is very negative bearish trend. Even some indicators like MACD and Fibonacci is still green, but trend is bearish. Weekly time frame. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20, last bar stopped at SMA 200 white line. All indicators bearish on the weekly time frame. It can bounce from SMA 200, right? SMA 200 can be strong support and it can bounce from SMA 200. Or it can do bearish crossover. It can continue to go bearish and do bearish crossover. We'll see. Now let's move to monthly. Monthly, it is bearish, right? Last bar below MA5, 10 and 20, still above MA50, but below major trend lines. Still bearish trend. Okay, let's move to Ethereum Classic. It is flat also today. As of now, it's September 3rd, 2023, it's still flat, all market flat, right? Let's move to Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic daily last bar below all moving averages below 200, all moving averages lines downhill, downtrend. It is bearish trend on all indicators, ready for bearish reversal. Daily it is bearish. Weekly, last bar below all moving averages, all indicators red bearish, weekly time frame bearish trend. Monthly, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend on all indicators. And let's talk about performance, right? I didn't talk about Ethereum performance. Ethereum's performance, weekly minus 0.75%, monthly minus 11%, year to date minus 37, plus 37%, still positive year to date, right? Ethereum Classic, weekly minus 2.5%, monthly minus 14%, year to date minus 2%. Ethereum Classic negative on all performance on all time frames. That's what we observe. Ethereum Classic very negative, very bearish. ADA Cardano, let's start daily. Ada Cardano daily, last bar below all moving averages lines downhill. It is bearish trend on all indicators. Bearish trend, all indicators in the bearish territory on daily time frame. Weekly last bar below all moving averages downtrend. It is bearish trend also. As of now, Ada Cardano flat minus 0.25%. And monthly, let's see, monthly, it's still bearish trend. Now let's move to performance. Performance monthly, weekly minus 2%, 1 week. 1 month minus 12.5%, and year to date still positive plus 4%. Binance is flat today also. Let's start daily. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and last bar below all moving averages downtrend, bearish trend on all indicators. Weekly time frame, MA5 and 10 did bearish crossover over 200, last bar below all moving averages downtrend. It is very bearish trend on weekly, right? And monthly, same story, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend on all indicators. 1 week performance minus 1%, 1 month performance minus 11, and year to date minus 13. Binance, very negative, same like Ethereum Classic. XRP, let's start XRP today is positive plus 1%. Daily time frame, last bar below SMA 200, below all moving averages, it is bearish trend. MA5 did bearish crossover over 200. And 20 ready to do bearish crossover over 200. It is very negative setup, bearish setup, bearish trend. Let's see weekly. Weekly, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, sell signal, last bar close below 20, 200. This very negative, all indicators bearish. Monthly time frame. MA5 did bullish crossover over 20. Last bar above MA20, but it's below MA5, it's about 20. It's kind of positive, yeah. On monthly time frame, it is still in the positive territory. But SMA20 downtrend, downhill. And performance weekly minus 4%, monthly minus 24%, and year to date still positive plus almost 49%. That's all for all cryptos. Let's do summary. Like I already told you, all cryptos from my watch list, they all bearish on all time frames. The most negative on the performance side is Ethereum Classic and Binance. Everything else bearish on a short time frame, monthly, weekly, but on year to date they're still positive. Year to date they're still positive, but like Bitcoin, still in a bearish trend on all indicators, on all time frames, still bearish. That's all. Crypto still bearish. We did just review because week is over, month is over, quarter is not over yet, but trend is still bearish. Unfortunately, but that's what we have. And remember, we follow the trend, we don't fight with the trend. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. Remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading simulator as long as we need to get constantly profitable at least for 6 months. Thank you for watching simple trading style videos. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Remember it, for all equities. My simple trading style works for any time frames, for any equities, any cryptos. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.